guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be comparing the new ABH Lash Brag Mascara, and we're going to go in battle with the NYX Water Hype Mascara. So who is going to win the battle today? Stay tuned. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. It says it's extreme volume, dramatic volume and fullness, and it says it's creamy. So it says bragging rights included. This retails for £26 here in the UK. It comes in only one color, black, and it's 10G for £26. So this is the NYX Water Hype Mascara. It's a volumizing and lengthening mascara. It says it darkens, it makes lashes fuller, it's literally lengthening, it's beautiful, and it does what it says. It says it does what it promises, so it's what the hype. It retails for £9. It's got 3 shades, black, brown and blue. It's £9 for 7 ml. They both look really okay. I'm not too bothered, but this is the better packaging. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, this lovely black just transcends to the gold. This just screams posh, obviously, more than this. This is £26, this is £9, so this wins it for packaging. For price, obviously this is better because this is £9. And let's look at the wand. So this is the ABH brush. The wand, it says it's a specially designed hourglass shaped brush, and it just designed to prevent clumping and smearing. It's designed with a formula that doesn't dry up. So that's what it claims. It claims to be long lasting, prevents clumping and smudging as well. This is the ABH wand. This is the NYX one. I'm just gonna do them side by side. This is the NYX. This is the ABH one. So they both look a bit similar, but the ABH one is more, yes, it's like an hourglass shape. The NYX one is kind of just straight. Bristle in the ABH one is more fluffier and it's got a lot of bristles than the NYX one. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into the application. I'm gonna put the NYX one on this side and the ABH one on this side. So I'll start with the NYX one on the side. I'm gonna get my mirror. A mascara tip for you is to, when you apply the mascara from the bottom, just try and roll it as you move it up. So you kind of roll it like this, and it just helps it I'm tearing up, so I'm gonna take a cotton bud and just put it on my eyes like so, just to take out any tears from my eyes. So that's the NYX one on the top side. I'm gonna do the bottom side of the NYX. So that's the NYX one done. So now I'm gonna do the ABH one. Just by applying it, I like the way the ABH one applies. It's more creamy than the NYX one. This is the ABH one, this is the NYX one. So this is for ABH. I'm just gonna apply the bottom side. So this is one coat of the ABH, and this is the NYX one coat. So I'll start with the NYX one for the second coat. So I've done my second coat on this one. I'm just going to do the bottom lash as well. So that's the NYX second coat done for the NYX. I'm going to do the ABH one. So this is the second coat on the NYX and the ABH one. This is the second coat on both. I'm not gonna do the third coat and final coat. So this is the third coat done for the next one. So there's 3 coats for NYX, 2 coats for ABH. So I'm gonna add the third coat for the ABH one. Okay, so this is the third coat done for the 2. This is the ABH one and this is the NYX one. This is the ABH hair and this is the NYX hair. What do you think, guys? Is this worth the hype? Is this braggable? I'll just come closer. In terms of length, the ABH gave more length than the NYX. In terms of volume, the ABH gave more volume than the NYX one. So this says it's a lengthening volumizing mascara. So as compared to this one, you're not lengthening, you're not volumizing, you're just you know what I mean? So please, this is not lengthening or volumizing as compared to this. In terms of creamy, buildable, they're both nice. They're both okay. I like this. This is a bit more drying. This is drying. This is not as creamy. This is creamier than this one, and so this wins it. In terms of buildable, I think this is more buildable as well. This, by the time you start adding, it is buildable, but it doesn't just do nothing to it after you start adding, and after a while it just becomes a bit spidery. The next one is okay as well. It did do okay, but this just gave enough more volume. It looks more fluffy. For price, £9 of course, this is a good one for, like, you know, if you want to. This is quite okay. It does bring, it just is a good mask. It's an okay mascara, but compared to this is like nothing. Just literally throw away. Yeah, this is more like it. So this is not really what the hype as compared to this. This is like, this is like the bottom, right? And this is on top, obviously. And this is more high-end. So but this is not what the hype as compared to this is. So just respect yourself, NYX. Respect yourself here. But it did work well. So but you could tell that this is a big brand, obviously. So yeah, in terms of the battle of the brands, ABH wins it for this one. So that's it for my review, guys. I hope you found this video useful. What do you think? Comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you see more videos as they come. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.